Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Andre, and since you guys loved that smoked paprika video so much, I decided to do another one that I've been working on, and I finally have it where I really like it. And let's just dive in. If anybody has done any cooking and you know what a mirepoix is, you have your onions, carrots, and celery. You're going to traditionally dice them down, saute them with a little bit of olive oil or butter, and that is a great flavor base for your sauces, soups, whatever you're going to cook. It's very traditional. It gives you a great flavor, but I'm going to turn it up a notch, and what we're going to do is take these, smoke them, dehydrate them, and then turn them into this beautiful flavored powder that you can use the same way. You can use it as a rub, use it in your soup sauces. It's fantastic. Let's just dive in. Just take that off. And all we're gonna do with the celery is basically cut it in half, because you have to think about the dehydrator. It's only so big, and I want to be able to fit as much in as I can. So here we go. I'm going to take the stems off, but just in half onto there. That's it. Next thing, carrots. Carrots are a little harder, so just be careful. I am going to cut them smaller, and I'm just yeah, I know. Be careful. So all we're doing is cutting them into slices like this. I can't leave the carrot like this. It will never dehydrate properly. So all we're going to do is cut it down like that. Because you have to remember, the thicker something is, the longer it's going to take to dehydrate, and it really is a pain in the butt. And last but not least, the onion. I wanted to save this to the end because I don't want you to watch me cry. So anyways, with this, we're just going to take the outer part of it off. And the nice thing with this, all we're doing is slicing it like this. Just into slices like that. That way we can still handle it and get that moisture out because it's not too thick. Spring is finally in the air. I love it. I will be filming more outside. Can't wait. So now all we're going to do is lay everything out. I'm going to put the onions on the hotter side just for now. And we are not putting anything on them. No rubs, no extra spices. This is all about the veggies and getting as much smoke and good flavor on them as we can. And now it doesn't matter. We're just gonna get everything laid out. Kind of like I'm doing beef jerky, but I'm not. And now the celery. Make sure nothing's hanging over. That's good. Just like that, and to the smoker we go. Okay, here we go. Get in there. Looks fantastic. They're in. They're going to be in for about 2.5 hours. I'll come back after 2 just to take a peek. The smoker's running at 200. Things like this, I don't like to push it too much higher. I found that for things like this, 200 is a great temperature to, 200 Fahrenheit is a great temperature to run the smoker at. The carrots took just over 2 hours, and I let the celery and the onion stay in for 2.5 hours. Everything looks great. We're coming along nicely. Now, we got to just load the trays for the dehydrator. Okay. We're going to keep them separate. So like with the onions, just Load it up the best you can. This is where it's really crucial that you don't have things overlapping, because they will take way longer to dry out, which is a pain. Now it doesn't matter which ones you do, you just start filling up the trays. And we'll do the carrots. The celery and the carrots all on their own, which is good. Put you guys in. Put the lid on. I will turn it on, but it gets noisy. I'm just gonna let it run all night. So I'm gonna finish this video actually tomorrow, because this is the part that takes the longest. But there again, we need this stuff bone dry, because we're gonna make it into a powder and not a paste. See you tomorrow. Welcome back, everybody. It is finally dry. Every dehydrator is different. This took a long time. The onions and the carrots actually took the longest. Oh well. It's one of those things, you just basically set it and forget it. Just check it every so often, and we're finally there. And now we're gonna take a look. So I'm gonna just separate them, just that you guys get an idea of what they look like and how little you're actually ending up with. So this is celery that I put together with the carrots. There we go. We've got the onions, the celery, and the carrots. I'm gonna do this basically 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. And if you've made it this far into the video, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the extra onions. Bonus. And what we're going to do to make it official 1/3, 1/3, we're going to weigh them all out. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to go with the celery first, because that's the one we have the least of. Put this on. Tear of that. So from all that celery, we only have 33 grams of finished. So I'm going to add 33 grams of this. And as you can hear, that crunch, that's what you want. It's dry. So now we have that is going to be our mix, and now we're going to blitz it up and turn it into the powder. We got the trusty spice blender out, and all we're going to do, I'm going to crush it up a little bit more. Just to help it along. Ready? Okay. And plug that just to be safe, and I'm gonna just dump it in here so you guys can see. Where are you? I know. See that beautiful powder? I'm gonna just quickly finish this off, and then we're gonna taste it. Okay, there we go, people. We have the finished product. It's all powder. Look at that. Are you gonna focus? Yeah. That's beautiful. So now you could use this as a rub. You can use it, what I was really thinking about was using it in a sauce. Instead of actually doing your mirepoix at the beginning, use this. Give it that same flavor, but add that smoke to it. I gotta try this. So, that's good. I'm not gonna use the same spoon. That is so good. You get all those flavors combined into one flavor bomb of smoke and all that veggie goodness. That would, oh, so good. But anyways, the bonus I was talking about is make more onion, grind it up, and you have this beautiful smoked onion powder. Now you take some of this and some of the smoked paprika in that other video I'll link up there. You add this to your hamburgers and make some hamburgers. Add some salt as well. Fantastic. They turn out awesome. Try it. You'll be a fan. And the reason I'm not adding salt to these is because salt is a very personal taste thing. Some people really like salt. Some people don't like it that much. And then there's everybody in between. So I do these things no salt. So you're going to add them. Add the salt separately as per your taste. And away you go. All I'm going to do now is the hard part without dropping any. And I'm going to show you actually how much we got out of all that veggie. So there we go. You know, I write on it my smoked veggie mix. So I got a 3/4 full thing. And as you can see, it's powder. It's beautiful. Look at that color. Fantastic. And there we go. Not as much, but there we go. Look at that beautiful color on that. Another project you should do yourself. I think it's worth your time. That is actually going to last you quite a while. Do it yourself. You know what's in it. I keep stressing that. You know what's in it. You're picking the vegetables you're using. Adding as much smoke on it as you want, and then dehydrate them. Yes, it's a little bit of a process, but really it just takes time, and that's the only thing that really is the hardest part about doing things like this. It's the time. But you start it, you let it go overnight or a couple days, whatever it takes, and then the grinding is easy, and then you end up with something fantastic. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I have lots more ideas that I'm working on and will bring to you. I appreciate the follows. I appreciate the comments, the likes, shares, all that good stuff. Thank you so much. And like always, happy eating.